often gazed up at the stars from their favorite rooftop, dreaming of what lay beyond. One evening, as the sky twinkled with a peculiar brightness, something magical happened. The stars seemed to pull them upwards. The cats floated through space, their fur glimmering with stardust as they passed shimmering constellations. They landed on a distant planet where jellyfish-like creatures floated through the air and glowing moss covered the ground. Milo and Luna soared through the cosmos once more, their hearts full of the adventure they'd always dreamed of, ready to return to the rooftop and dream again of the worlds they'd seen.